Good morning, dear students. Welcome back again. Today we are going to have a lesson about how to solve problem. I have steps to solve the problem. When I have a problem, I first begin with reading and understanding the problem. First thing I should do or I should follow is to read and understand the problem. Underline what you know. Circle what you need to find. Underline what you know and circle what you need to find in the problem, in the math problems. Okay? Second step, make a plan. Make a plan. How can you solve the problem? Ask yourself, how can I solve the problem? Number 3, carry out the plan. Carry out the plan. Solve the problem by drawing a picture or making a table. Carry out the plan, to solve the problem by drawing a picture or making a table. Check. Does your answer make sense? Is the math correct? Check your answer. Is your answer correct or wrong? If wrong, do it again. Step by step, the length of a billiards table is twice its width. If the perimeter of the billiards table is 36 feet, what's the length and width of the table? What's the area of the billiards table? This is a problem here. What should we do? First step, as I told you, read and understand the problem. I have here length twice the width. Perimeter of the billiards table is 36 feet. First, what to do? I read and understand my problem. I write here some points to help me. Find the length and width of the billiards table. Find the length and width of the billiards table, then find the area of the billiards table. Make a plan. Second step. We should follow the steps. Make a plan. Draw a rectangle whose perimeter is 36 feet with a length that is, the length is double width. So L will be 2W. So find the length and width, then find its area. This is the whole plan. Carry out the plan. Implement the plan. Perimeter equals, I know that perimeter of the rectangle equals 2 times L plus W. Length plus width, all times 2. The sum of L and width and length and width, the sum of them, all multiplied by 2. So the length here I have 12. Width equals 6. So perimeter will be 2 times, open bracket, 12 plus 6, close the bracket, equal 36. And the perimeter here is 36 feet. Area equals length times width, which is 12 times 6. So the answer will be 72 square feet. Check how to check. Does my answer make sense? Is my math correct? Yes, it is. Moving to the other slide. Ethan's swimming pool is 16 feet long and 8 feet wide. What's the area of the swimming pool then? I want to know the area. So the area equals length times width. This is my plan. So I'm going to do my plan, carry out my plan, which is length times width equal 16 times 8 equal 128. Sophia wants to make a wooden sign with a length of 6 meters and a width of 4 meters. How many square meters of wood will she need? Here the area is 6 times 4, length times width equal 24. Emily says I can draw a rectangle with an area of 12 square units and a perimeter of 12 units. Do you agree with her or not? Okay, now I want to know, there are not any sets of two numbers for length and width that will result in 2 times L plus W equals 12 units and L times W equals 12 units. Again, how can I solve this? I have here, she says that area of the rectangle equals 12. Okay, area of rectangle equals length times width. Okay, length times width, this is the area, and the perimeter equals length plus width all times 2. There is no two numbers or any sets of two numbers that the length plus width equal the length plus width times 2 equals 12, and also length times width equal 12. So I don't agree with her, she is wrong. Michael noticed that the park playground has a rectangular shape and is 28 feet. Okay, and is 28 feet long by 16 feet wide. Okay, how many feet of edging is needed to surround the park playground? Okay, here he gives me the answer. Why? Edging, surround. This is perimeter or area? Of course a perimeter, because the perimeter, the definition of perimeter is the total surrounded edges, the sum of the total outside edges. So I need the perimeter, so the perimeter equals what? 2 times L plus W, all in brackets, equals what? So 2 times length plus width equal the perimeter. 2 times 28 plus 16 equals 88 feet. Okay, the practice book. Mason is tiling the floor of his bedroom. Okay, if his room is 5 meters long and 3 meters wide, what's the area of Mason's bedroom? Area equals length times width, is very easy. A teacher bought a new rectangular carpet for the classroom. It has an area of 27 square feet. The carpet, okay, he gives me here the area. The carpet is 3 wide. What's the length? So it's very easy to do it. 27, the area, the total area, divided 3, which is here it has an area of, the carpet is width, so it's the width. So 27 divided width, the area divided width, so it will be 9. Here the length. Our room is 14 meters long and 7 meters wide. A border of decals will be placed around the room at the top of the walls. Okay, what length is needed for the decals? Yeah, I want to know now the length. I need to know now the length of the border surrounding the room. So I need to know the perimeter. Perimeter equals 2 times length plus width, all 2 times, here the addition of 14 and 7 will give me, the sum of them will give me 21. So 21 times 2 equals 42. Adam walked around the edge of